but it more of looks like what Remo D'Souza would have taken if he was handed over War 2. War 2, and I'll tell you, it was not a pleasant experience at all. I'm still finding for a silver lining. I don't know what is. So without any delay, I'll directly get into the review because बहुत है बात करने के लिए इस movie के बारे में. Because I expected a lot, and I will tell you one thing. I don't think I got anything I wanted from this movie. I don't think anything I expected is there in the movie. Because, okay, let's start. First, I'll talk about the positives. Because obviously, जो कम है वही पहले बात करते हैं, जल्दी finish हो जाता है. So yeah, maybe the acting अच्छी है. Everybody has done good in their parts. That is one thing. I will not tell anything about the acting and all, because if I have to talk about the acting, मतलब थोड़ा सा how should I say, story reveal करना पड़ेगा कि कहाँ कहाँ क्या क्या act किया है. So that is kind of hard. And sorry for the camera handling. I'm not in a very easy position. ये mall उतना मतलब अच्छे spots नहीं है record करने के लिए, तो I'm just doing it in public. Anyways, coming to the point, that was one. Second, I would say the music a bit. They've just reused the BGM of the first part. There's nothing new except Junior NTR ka background score, which is, I would say, above average. Not that great, but above average. And the songs are still above average, because above average is a very big silver lining for this movie at this point. Okay. And that's mostly, and yeah, the twists you cannot expect. You cannot expect the twists, I'll tell you that. Even though they're placed badly, but you cannot expect them. I will tell you that. And that's all, bhai. If you are expecting something good from this movie, this is all good that you get. इसके अलावा और कुछ अच्छा नहीं मिलने वाला. Getting into the negatives. The story. The story is the most negative part of this movie, which technically should be the opposite for any movie. Bhai, the story is so bad. The guy beside me was just curling up on his seat and trying to watch the movie, because वो बंदा सो रहा था. He was almost asleep. 2 hour 51 minutes की running time है. And I'll tell you something. This movie could have been finished in 2 hour 25 minutes or 2 hour 20 minutes at max. And the biggest setback was the action scenes, partially I would say. Because whenever Hrithik Roshan is fighting, or whenever the physics in Hrithik Roshan scenes were like a Hollywood movie, but the physics in Junior NTR scene was like some Balakrishna movie. If you're trying what I mean. And the entry scene and all, entry scene was ridiculous. By the Junior NTR entry scene was ridiculous. It had no logic whatsoever. Like, I wouldn't even try to describe it at this point. You watch it by yourself. Hrithik Roshan's entries and all good. The movie, one more point. The movie is grand. It is royal. Very good VFX. Like proper Hollywood style VFX रखे हैं. पर story नहीं है. The VFX is Hollywood level. The locations are Hollywood level. Everything is good, but they don't have a story to support it. So it just looks bland. It just looks like चल रहा है. The worst part about the movie is bhai, the screenplay. The screenplay is very bad. And the story as well. Story में point नहीं है, दम नहीं है. The whole point or the thing where the story ends, मतलब climax में तुम्हें पता चलता है ना मूवी का मोटो क्या है, what is the movie focusing on. The whole motto and the thing was revealed in second half, which makes it so lengthy, which made the first half feel like क्या चल रहा है. Because at the end of the movie you're like, you could have done this, you could have done that, you could have done this, you could have done that, and shorten the film so much. The movie is not at all crisp. It just drags all throughout its screen time, man. And the songs are misplaced. And choreography is also, I would say, mid. I'm mainly putting it into a negative and not a positive, even though it's average, above average. It's mainly because War 1 was 100 times better than this. The choreography in War 1 was energetic, pumpy. You have a better dancer or equally good dancer as Tiger Shroff, and you still pull out these moves which are pretty much, I would say, average, above average. They felt very comfortable. There's nothing wrong in comfortable, but my point is, you could have done better. We were expecting more. Partly my fault, can be partly your fault as well. And if I should say more, the dialogues are good. I tell that. Sorry, telling it in no particular order at this point. Dialogues are good, but the whole point is जब तक वो twist आता है और जब तक मूवी फॉर्म में आती है और जब तक तुम कनेक्ट करते रहते हो, मतलब the point where you start connecting to the characters is when the movie ends. The time you start connecting to the characters is when the movie ends. So that should define you. That how much time they have wasted inside the movie. And by the way, Kiara Advani is wasted completely. We don't know why she is there. She doesn't know why she is there. I mean, she plays the love interest of Hrithik Roshan. It's evident from the trailer as well. But the whole point is we never get connected to both of their characters in a very love perspective, because एक सॉन्ग से कुछ नहीं होने वाला. दैट शुड बी अंडरस्टूड बाय एनी डायरेक्टर बाय नाउ. ठीक है. सो या यू डोंट गेट कनेक्टेड टू देयर कैरेक्टर्स, बट दे थिंक यू आर गेटिंग कनेक्टेड, सो दे गिव देम द स्क्रीन टाइम. ठीक है. बट यू आर नॉट गेटिंग कनेक्टेड. डजंट वर्क आउट. देयर इज अनदर कैरेक्टर व्हिच कम्स इन द मूवी, अनदर एक्टर, प्रोमिनेंट एक्टर. ही इज एब्सोल्युटली वेस्टेड. वो तो भाई उसका तो पूरा वेस्ट किया गया भाई उसको. सो या दिस इज वॉट इज आई वुड से अबाउट वॉर. Sorry for telling it in no particular order, because the whole movie was all over the place. The movie tries to go there. I mean, imagine having 2 flashbacks in second half. Just imagine having 2 flashbacks in second half. How ridiculous is that, bhai? What were you doing all the first half? चना खा रहे थे, पूड़ी बना रहे थे, क्या कर रहे थे फर्स्ट हाफ में? I expected so much. I don't know after how many months or years I'm watching Hrithik Roshan again on screen. That too with Junior NTR. It's a very rare sighting. And you tend to do this. And once again, on a side note, this is probably a filler movie for the Spyverse, because I see the Bond working well in the future in the upcoming movies if you don't fuck up like this one. So please take notes. भाई एक सीन तो भाई रिडिकुलस था. भाई एक सीन रिडिकुलस था. जूनियर एनटीआर बोट पे चेस कर रहा है. ही कम्स ऑन टू द लैंड. द बोट इज रनिंग ऑन लैंड जस्ट बिकॉज इट हैज अ नाइट्रो. ही रन्स विद द बोट इन ऑपोजिट डायरेक्शन in front of Formula 1 cars on an F1 track and jumps out of it with the boat. भाई क्या चल रहा है? क्या चल रहा है? रेस 3 भी इतना illogical नहीं था भाई. This is too much, भाई. Please, that scene was absolutely ridiculous. Just like a few other scenes, जहाँ physics don't seem to defy them. I don't even know what to say at this point. All I'm saying is, this is probably a filler movie. Maybe look out for the upcoming movies, because I see the Bond working. And the whole point of the movie was one villain. That's my review for War 2. I really expected a lot. I don't try to disrespect somebody. But all I would say is, this is probably the rendition of what Remo D'Souza would take this movie in if he was taking this movie. If you understand what I mean. It doesn't look like an Ayan Mukherjee directorial. There are some sparks here and there, but it more of looks like what Remo D'Souza would have taken if he was handed over for War 2. That's my review for War 2. Like, share, subscribe. I know there haven't been videos in a while. But yeah, I'm traumatized. I almost fell asleep.